Esithubeni with uKwanele, ndihamba apha phandle ndikhangela amabali abaselayo. Namhlanje wethu Abenathi silingela all the way from Athlone. Abenathi is a DJ, she's a model, she's just a creative man. So asimve yena isitori sakhe asithini namhlanje. Let's go. Stories that inspire.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Like catch up. Those on Wednesday, I didn't do them.
No.
I wouldn't tend to see.
Kaloku.
Ne?
Akayicingi.
I feel like we're gonna have.
Iyazizela nje yakazi. Iyazizela kaloku xa izela.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like we're gonna have a like funny pizza.
Let's go. Balele, let's go.
How do you feel?
I'm cool. I'm fine.
Yeah. How was your birthday? Show me.
Never mind, guys. That's what's in birthday. Imnandi bethunana, ibimnandi. It's always like great to spend time with people. Sihleka oko. Sibhadli oko besingxole ebhoti sijoviwe ngamanye amandiya pha. Singxola pha. Yeah.
Uhlala like same ilali zakho kanye dibana pha
No, we met at Gringoges actually. It's also a DJ naye. So yeah.
Ziphi kanti ilali zakho?
Ecala, Eastern Cape. Cala.
Did you grow up there?
Yes.
Kabunjani?
That's fine. I can just be
Yo, mazicala.
You down? But nasilale emnxena selower cala, but sihlale down. Like a down, phanga kwecala sePep Spa. Yeah. Wena? Undumdum or? Oh, Paphezulu. Okay. Then because sigama lami eqala undumdum. Like upper yes. Umkhaya wami hallelujah.
So unomkhaya apha le.
Oh, bethuna banqomani basecala apha. But yeah.
Why do you think banqabile? The first time
okanye okay banqabile mhlawumbe bahlale eKhayelitsha most mhlawumbe. But I hardly bump into someone othini kwase cala. It was like, oh, masemthatha, oh, masecuwa, masengcobo. Ucala no, like, and I like it to meet umuntu athi wasecala.
Tell me about icala.
Why?
Like I wanna ngase sisiqale pha apho ukhulele khona man and then siyonyuse like sinyuke nayo kakhulele. I'm really interested in like babunjani like ecala and khulele kanjani. Bo.
Ecala, so to me, it's a small town, ne? Nahlale down elalini, but sometimes
So one of like rich girls type of
no. But then my mom told me that then I've uthetha. So nayohlala emnxe because then ndimdede umzukulwane endlini. So ndandlala ndandlala nodoli, ndithetha nodoli. So makhulu was like, "Hayibo mntana unathu, bhala akakwazi uthetha." And then sister yakhe was like, "No, khawuze lapha kum, akadlala namanye abantwana ndizokwazi uthetha." And then I think like after 6 months xa ndibuya ndikwazi uthetha. Yeah.
So bakukhuphe emasababisini bakufaka like ukuze ukwazi ukuthetha.
And I had the best time of my life in Lalin, guys. I had friends that loved me so much.
Yeah.
And when I turned 3, they invited bonke abantu echonga naselalini ngokugcwele echonga naselalini etown ebirthday yami ndina 3.
Yeah.
Which good.
Bafumana presents.
Andisakhumbuli for sure. But like babonwabile kwakumnandi, yabo. My late uncle really loved celebrating birthdays abantu. Like wayeziplanner even before ngaqalela nomnikazi wayo ba ay kafuza necake sendinazi inkuni na inyama seyikhona si drinks usona necake wena. Like why to celebrate.
So do you still celebrate your birthday?
Do I? Yeah.
Ne?
Not like ngalandlela yakhe but yeah I do. I do. Yeah.
What did you do last time?
Last year bendiphi and then last year I was back home.
Eastern Cape.
Yeah, Mr. Eastern Cape. Last year, I wanted my birthday to be quiet. I didn't want to go out. I didn't want anything. I just wanted to be in my space. And then later on, I had a gig. So, all until like
Like, I want, did they understand though? You kind of like,
Crazy, they
felt
did.
like,
They did.
"Yeah, I mean, not to selfish. We had plans for you, or something like that."
Yeah, man, I think according to what activities in the so I don't think we were never offended because the only thing you can do is racially in the way your Briar, the car wash, but it's such a nice establishment. So we were activity call you. So we went So I knew why I tend to say kaya because I knew the ground in the phone and the silence I wanted the full man. And I was crassing the whole day, putting on I don't know what's apart once a week. I'm not I just want to I want like Nevlu Paula.
Yeah.
Nevlu Paula. Even like the family that ngingakwazi ukuxolela ngomso but like ngixolele but ngamandla tamkhulu was like akuzuvanga unavuswa nguyiba ulala njani birthday yakho started singing and then Sapola like I loved it, guys.
Tell me about the silence, like the importance of the silence. Like, why is it important
to me?
Yeah,
I feel like for now I get to reflect and pray and meditate and just be with myself. Yeah, and connect with Ahmad Basikaya and myself. So silence helps me because I always say this to my friends, but now I pick up, I'm always on the go. I'm always like hustling. I need that time to like silence the noise, block. I mean, I try creative and just be myself. So that's why it's important because I get to point to my cup again. I'm feeling buoy up, and then I can go hustle again. I can work again, and yeah, it helps me. Yeah, to stay grounded, I guess. Yeah. It was awful, guys.
What? I
never had a great experience when it comes to cooler guys. I was bullied a lot.
Bullied?
Yes. Yes, I was bullied and cooler when I got to realize. They used to judge me for every single thing. They made me feel bad for coming from a family in a reputation entle. Like and I used to say, guys, I didn't choose Uti sebenza community yakho to an extent that you recognize. Yeah, but like ungayicala compromise ifamily kaSilingela. Of which goal yakhe leya. So abantu babe misinterpret ba uphakamile senza ngcono because kwaba konje kanti they never gave me a chance. And then they only love me because angibanike izinto ba izano dlala ujingwami izano qoba izani yabona mos nandi I feel like ngikho rich but nandi ngidingela umzukulwane. So naturally with my grandparents, my uncle. So now I'm going to tell kumalume kumama kutamkhulu nomakhulu because isendimi umntana. I think it was bound to happen like that. Didn't go that deep. But when I'm about, we're just saying we're why not askazu menzel engekho deep. Also, my grandmom was so strict. Don't have money, you're gonna then say menzel no phone. Yeah, but people didn't know that. So I've been bullied like, rich right now. I put 10 up and I kept saying to my granddad, Jonga, how you now about famous unenza ubomi nzima. You know, because let's say primary SGB member. I'm like everywhere we are stressed and then you bullish about and I had to like say, guys, those are the things they worked so hard for them. Allow me now then these Kelly's doors are.
That's fair.
So guys, yeah.
So do you still remember like I went on a big bullish?
Yeah, I do.
Ne?
Yes, I do. And it's crazy. Not even. And I has one because yeah, man, throughout, like they bullied me throughout no grade 9 because they cover grade R to grade 9. I went bullied till the end, guys, and I still remember them. Like the socials
like do they like his day?
Abanye.
Do they like those
Abanye. Oh shit. But anyways, abanye they like myself. Oh Sam, I'm like, oh ndimhle.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh ndimhle. But I think I've always had like a big heart to me and ngikwazi ubamba igrudge shame.
Yeah.
But asazi ngizilibala into abandenza zona but ansazoyangeza zini. And I think ngunembeza lo benze basondele kum. Because I've never changed. I've always been the person. And then babuye bathi, damn, they're wrong. You're actually a cool person. Oh, sweet, you're so humble. I'm so spoiled. And I'm like, it's too late, guys. It's too late. But I guess it was part of my journey, man, Nando, because I feel like maybe now it was supposed to be my.
Like, did it teach you something?
Yeah, I feel like I feel like that's how God was preparing me or building me. I don't know.
The character,
but damn, it was too much. It was intense.
So did you remember the time like who decided, okay, I want to go to Cape Town now?
I've never wanted to come to Cape Town.
Ne?
I've never wanted to come to Cape Town. I only knew Cape Town as like a holiday destination as a Kaya for December. We came twice. Yeah. Akathathu. And then the first to my cousin sister was Mema. I think I just turned that year 21. And then she was like, Zangapa. And then she was like, Boya, because when you're turning back. And I feel like you need like a bigger city to thrive. Yabo was like, oh, okay. I'm going to Mom, Antoine called my mom, up. So I was like, guys, I've never wanted to come to Cape Town. Zotini up. And then I relocated in 2020. Yeah, that figured out cousin sister. Guys, I can't know and fascinating.
Ne?
Oh, hang on, no.
Tell me about that.
What? Hey. So it says, I'm like, girl. Everything I'm a fascinator. It felt like a breakthrough for me. Nah.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Like Jonga Conning and Ozy. You're getting also you miss Aram Sam. Oh,
do you think you discovered the other side of you like in a way? Like
I
DJing,
think yes. Yeah. I think that was God redirecting me. Because I was like, I'm from my social worker. Then people kept on saying like, why are you gonna be a model? I was like, why should I be a model? But then I sat down, I was like, okay, cool. If I were to take this advice, why would I take it? Izolo nthenza mnika lipink angawari andiyenzi ref.
Ngasuli kanti.
Kufuneka ndimkhuphele ebuhlobo ayokwanele bayadimanda emzini womntu ke la
afondini kanti yasuli ngoref lapha afondini.
Sapha bekafuke kuqala kum.
Yeah, konzophinde ngibile ngoku. Yeah, busanibalisela.
So I sat down and asked myself, why would I take this advice that I should consider doing modeling? I was like, okay, cool. Since I was bullied by the height how I look, I think this might help me to heal those wounds and be okay. Fall in love with myself again, see myself again, and I felt like in modeling kind of gave me a hug and say, you belong in the society. You are also beautiful. So it helped me to heal. So yeah.
So what do you mean like it helped you to fall in love with yourself again, or like help you to heal? Like, heal you,
so
like, from
back in high school, in the high, double talk cool, like cool. Your brain's exam, my height, my weight, like how I look. I remember at the time I always collected Nabafana more than Amandomazan. So with other male friend of mine was on Bali said about okay, guess this makes sense what you list all the time, you're always at the bottom of the list all the damn time. And I would always say to them, I'm not buying model but no one saw it at the time. So sometimes I like pam gwamba, like yo guys, it means in the normalize school. And then like I didn't catch a break esikolweni ndiyagezela boarding house instead uba bandiprotected banabo bayandigezela itishala zazingigezela like it was a lot so they made me hate myself.
What did your teacher say?
Okay, teacher would say, oh, umuncu wena. There's a difference between umuncu and also the and I think the day I was like, yo, I need to tell my mom this is getting intense. It happened that day. I understood the activities in Nikiu, and I was helping a classmate and she was like, no, sambuza umuncu lowo ungambuzi nidibane nencwadi ungambuza ezinye izinto. Why would you say that to a kid? I mean, like that one's alone, though.
You think they hated the fact that like you coming from a good family or something?
I doubt they knew my background.
Ne?
Or do you guys think high school they did? I don't, because I was never a person who boasted about it. But then kwesa school about to figure people know about you. Like they already know by in the cafe, whatnot. And I'm like, and now I just arrived. How do you know my business? So yeah, they were just nosy. I feel like I've always been umntana oshayinayo, but babebona lo mntana umntana othena lo kutheni enje. So they bafuna udima ilight yami, of which at that time ndingayiboni uyabo. So yeah, they made me like ndiqonde, oh guys, ayindinyani ke ngoku. And enye into I've always like ndithanda bamhle all the time. Xa at weekend ngibuyele esalenhle stunning, ndimhle, ndiyapopa all the damn time. And my mom would make sure that ndibuya ndinit every time. And then ndithanda fashion. I was so fashionable. Like ndithanda impahla, ndisathanda nangoku. And also high school, I was a dancer as well. So I loved to dance. I loved to
kakuhle. Yeah, was dance now.
Oh, ndisakwazi. Actually, chomi yami endijayiva nayo ikhona apha eKabeni the masibuyele. Singena TikTok.
La challenge yezendoni into ize.
Uzep?
Yeah, oh.
I just don't know. So yeah, man, it like nyani shame. They would call me names. Oh, umqaito Pichile Lona. Like between them corridors and school and I still remember those guys. And when I see you guys, I hope I don't see you because yeah. And the answer but I'm
sorry, man.
Sorry. To an extent that like everything that I do now, I never feel like I'm good at it. I put so much pressure on myself.
You think that's why we perfectionists?
Yeah. Because everything that I did, because I was going enough. So every time I dance at indoor, I doubt it all the time. Or if something happens to me, I'm like, I don't think I deserve that. Like I've achieved this indoor, I'm like, I don't deserve that. I don't think I deserve that. And my mom always says this to me, but you don't get into it whether you like it or not. You just have to pray, but be right that class fee so yeah,
they sounds really, like Joe like you got bad, you know, that you got depressed.
Yeah, it did to an extent that I couldn't remember pushing her in the high. They would even bully me, get positions of phone, but oh, some go to njani kodwa usuka kwisikolo sabantu besikere yonke lanto. Oh guys, and funny thing I say in the high and iyandikhathaza whenever I think about it. And then I even failed to grade 12 once. I didn't pass because I was bullied by grade 12. But I kept, and I was like, I'm feeling my mom because it's not getting better. But worse. Now that, and I had to be like a people's pleaser because then for no anymore. It got to that point, but and back just turning to want to be okay. And then I feel like because ngoku andithathi nonsense and I'm like, God, be le version. Why is this ngoku? Yeah. Like why le version is ngoku? Like why am I sing ngoku? Yeah. But I remember the other time, that's a boarding house. Oh, I fell to grade 10. That's how intense my bullying was. I found them grade 10. Fine. Isaqhubeka ke le bullying yami notitshala yami. Sometimes I think my mom kakundenzele assignment mhlawumbe ndingudum. That's when I could see no mama unengxaki nami. Wanenze mama la assignment nomali wami kahle futhi was like abona le ndepasa. Still, and I'm like, no ways, when are you coming for me? So I think as a Bali final exams, one of my roommates, I tried to make that day like romantikiwe and aphakama ndathi andibhatalela ngoku school fees andifundiswa ngoku apha andizanga kuwe so ngohlukane nam like ndazimela ngalaa mini.
That's cool.
Ever since that day zangaphinda ndithanda zange siphinde siklik and I'm like andinaxesha like but years down the line xa ndisekapa ukufuna urecollecta laa mini I'm like no you can't kaloku ubuyibhuli ndisenjeya ndisedom ndisemnyama ndisemde ndisabhitile akho nto itshintshileyo so why yeah.
That's hectic, man.
Very hectic. So it did depress me. It did because after ndigqiba for grade 12 I never got to process why ndingapasanga. I was like okay cool ndenza ntoni ngoku. I'm again mama so kind of upgrade. I think ndaba ne-breakdown ngoJuly. Kwagqirha ke fine. Ndandibukele iJoy Celebration.
So what is the breakdown? Don't be down like what does it look like? Obviously kwenzeke ntoni xa ufumene i-breakdown?
For me in that moment I just cried. And like I remember ndisithi ndidiniwe kudala ndiyamezele. Like when is my time coming? When am I catching a break?
Dying or
No, ndiphumelela nini or when are things getting better for mna. Yeah, but I feel like oko ndiku-survival mode. Yabona? Okwenza uba stronger the whole time and be like, okay, cool, no, it's fine. There's a reason why kwenzekile, but I just can't do this anymore. So I was in a suicidal mode. But okay, that time I was watching iJoy Celebration. Kwavela kwaba mnyama. The next thing ndiqala i-minor stroke. Nangikwazi nohamba. Umama wafika ndibeleka andisekwagqirha. That was the first time I was like, okay, cool, maybe le nto iyandisebenza but andiqondi. Then on the 10th of August, it was right after me South Africa gqiba wena uzozibini ithunzi. And I remember mama said namba yabona ke umntana ongumXhosa wasezilalini ubona uphumelele and nawe mntanami uphumelele ngendlela yakhe wayesithi nawe ungasuka ecala and build a life for yourself. Suncama ngoku not like uzoba nguMiss South Africa. Uyabo? Fine. The second on the Saturday umalume wami athi mandibukele show yakhe. Umalume wami that's an actor. So kwayilokisha iBioScope kwayiphuma ngalaa mini. So I think ikhona episode phaya yanditriggerishayo. Oh, lamfana was not succeeding, like goba, where is my time coming, and then triggerisha that episode. Ndaqalisa ulila and I was crying and then I started cutting myself up. Anyway, get played. So that's when I was like, damn, ndiyagoba ngoku. I texted my friends like, I didn't feel any pain. Ndizoqaqanjelwa after ba yey ndiyenzile into kule ngane. And I remember that day ndandincokola neetshomi zam and I sent them a text, yo guys, I'm breaking point again. I think I can do anything to myself, guys. Ndidiniwe ngoku, I'm tired. But it wasn't a message about guys ndiyazibulala ngoku. Xelela nomama wami, don't plan suicide, it just comes. In that moment I was like, damn ndidikiwe. I started cutting myself. I remember that makes it bleach jig, madubula and isepezitya.
Yo, akubulala amathungu
zomezima. And then ndacima ifowuni yami ngalambeni ndani-wrong guys and ndandihleli ndedwa. Ingathi ndishwa zingqondo. I don't want to see myself like that ever again. And khathala how hard life can get and ndizokwazi ukubuyela kula hole. It was so painful. But because mama muntu clever, because wavela funa umakazi wathi abenathi ayifani naye le nto and bendithetha naye izolo ndamuva uba urongo but khange ndicinga ngazonzakalisa. So but then ngekayisele funa ngalaa mzuzu ndandisazisika nje because I was mad and I was so angry ndikhophela umsindo wam ndizisika. Then wafika umakazi wandithatha. I remember ndisecenga oma lo nothixo akazundiva ndizothini le cawa andifuni uba lapho. Then she suggested uba no man masimse kwi-therapist. But then it was a whole process, guys. That's why the admit was bedlela, I was dripping all guys and DQ. And then from there, that's okay, okay, net came. And I got there to send the sessions. That's when I started pulling your biz. I could like nothing really point, but I can't cry. Like since the activities.
But you feel pain though. Like.
Yes. When I got there, they admitted me, but I was like numb for 3 days. Then I changed it. And I know about the 10, I don't know, but then it's slow. as antidepressants, guys, yeah. And then ndandiphila ngazo ke guys, like everyday ndandiphila nge-antidepressants. But uma utamkhulu wami ke likholo elikhulu wandibiza ngemini wathi, hayi mina andikuboni uphila ngempilisi forever, I know you're strong, khawuzame mntanami uziyeka ngoku. So okay, bandinika ipilisi, right? The activities ke basizenza pha, but they're not helping me guys. I think dancing and block everything. Ngafuni uncedo. I was like, guys, again, why are you guys helping me? Because I need to change ubomi bami. But then when I got to hear those abanye abantu, I felt like uyadlala wena. Healer because other people are going like through like painful things. Yeah, well. And then yeah, I think that's like 2 weeks. And then I had to go back into phone and then do bala exams, my final exams, like to upgrade my grade 12. And then that's how coming to Cape Town came about. They were like, no, change your location, change your province, start a new life. That's when I got to discover everything, like music, modeling, yeah.
And how was it like in fact like transition from like Eastern Cape to Cape Town?
Say New York, everything was just fascinating. I was so excited. That felt like a breakthrough.
Yeah.
For me, that was
friend.
like my time.
Friend?
Okay, yeah.
My
first friend. Yes, I do. Engukura.
Yeah.
She's Muslim.
Yeah.
And she's so sweet.
Yeah.
Like for the like 2021, 2022, 2023, we had a fallout, but it's 31 again. Yeah, that was my friend. Everything naye. And when I'm the upper, then I follow Chombi because just utamkhulu wambeka phansi. Ichoma sisindawo ungamithi ungathini phana. Yes.
Yeah,
he was like, yabona afika ba focus ungalibona usuka phi ungamithi ichoma sizikwenzela nto. And I was like, yo, the lecture, I was so freaked out. And I was like, in big city, so I don't know what to expect. So I was kind of held back. But I spoke to her because at the time that figure scolding me was week 2. So I had to ask her about how far you guys, what have you guys been working on? Please share, like you know, the chapters that you guys are in. That's how I started talking to her. And she was like, Ungubani, and then it was like, don't you want to be my friend? I'm like, okay, let me give it a try.
My friend anyway.
Yeah. And then we started being friends.
And then good teaching like
So then again, another episode of my life. I think it was 2022. Yeah. When the corner, I felt like bombambo meal, right? Nothing is moving. And I was like, I don't want to lose my mind. 2, I don't want to go back to the dark hole. I love music. And what's keeping me going now in a new book, it's music. What numbs my pain is music. I can't sing. How about I DJ? I sent my friend a voice note. And I don't want to lose myself again. Who knows? I don't know. Be accessible to izinto ezilula to numb my pain. And it's something to distract me, but at the same time to comfort me. And I think music is what I need right now. And I would love to play it. I know songwriter, but I know how to put music together. I know how to pour my feelings through the songs that I listen to and how to put them together. Like I can create a playlist. Oh my God, you know? She was like, oh, okay. And then she was like, oh, I actually know Nathan and I think Josh. They're running this NGO and my phones are about how to produce and DJ. Maybe nansi number yabo. Message me Monday. Number okay. And then take it from there. On the Monday I sent Nathan and Nathan. We're like, okay, cool, come through. We used to have like master classes on Thursdays. Yes. And we're like, okay, cool. Stay master class come through Thursday. And okay, cool, fine. See a pie again. Just introduce it. At the time, I loved a deep house. I loved the deep house. But then when I got there, Oh, I literally hi.
Awusho hot phone now becala ngam phone. Ngizawuthini ngalokho yabe.
Dula.
Uyazibona phone
So-
nawe cha uyandibilisa phone.
Oh my god. So ke ngoku, I got there, I introduced myself, and then we're like, which genre do you like? I'm like, I love
Ngicela
hip
ukuyibuka
house.
kodwa.
Yeah, but and then we're oh okay, cool. Please don't, and then Dean was like, don't box yourself. You might discover other genres. I'm like, okay, cool, fine. I remember it was falling, the Oscar Ball, Your Time, the Chronicle Deep, Asambe, Oscar Ball. Ulele ka Oscar Ball. I can't remember the last one, but it was 5 songs. And I remember Dean all the time when I play the songs, you need to go deep and look for music. And I'm like, no, because they make so much sense. Your Time, Falling, Ulele, Asambe, come on. Like, I'm trying to get, like, you know, so allow me. Yabo. This other time, I hear Doug Prince in the like he plays his sound, and I'm like, wait, he plays sound at the Afrotech. I'm like, damn, this is so spiritual. And then I went to look for like a playlist is Afrotech. Then I was like, I'm sorry, deep house, I have to teach you. This is where I belong. I love this. This is so spiritual. And then that's how like the music came about. And when I went there, guys, I didn't know it's gonna be a serious thing, but go out and look for gigs. I think on the second month I was like, "Hi, what guys? Let's open the car up." But every time we meet up, they're like, "How many gigs have you have you got now? What are you working on?" And I'm like, "I'm still learning how to mix, guys." And
So-
Dean was like, "You need to go out and play for people." I'm like, "No, bendizo hlisa stress apha. Stress ngoku lento. Ndifuna izikhali office hobby le, uyabo?
The whole time upusha ke ngole DJing, like do you already know about okay, yeah, you've got a calling or like it's still something.
I
Okay,
don't
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Oh, I do know because I started dreaming 2021. Then my granddad was like, no, uyakwazi wami maxhanti ngiyogqengqeza then bacele bakulide uqeda isikole and then ubuyele kubo. But my ancestors were like, no, not twist, babes. Sifuna uqale apha before anything else happens. Yes.
Tell me about that, man. How was it, man?
Yo, guys, and go. Because it was like, you know how Ndamagqirha is, guys, society don't yathakatha. Oh, aninanyani or ancestors ngabantu abangengekhoyo kuthixo yedwa okhoyo. Yabo? My first one was like, damn, what if I'm gonna lose my friends now? What if they don't believe in this? What if Ikarizam stop because Nalenondi deny and they're like, no? What if it was just Tagata? But one is that Gokula, and I was like, what if Nuzama's lungi, and then it's chai? Or what if I can't navigate my life after this? It's about consider that everything that happens is because Ndiakula. Life can happen because Ndiakula. So I was very scared, but I was losing everything, guys. Like none exclude schooling. My modeling agency at contracted Mabayazi. And I've never worked for them. I'm like, Johnny, if you guys sending me to castings. I was robbed at gunpoint, like crazy stuff were happening. Yeah, but then like, I'm like, it's life. Up until Ndapupa. And then that's when I went to consult Mama Chomiam. So I was friends with this girl. I'm friends with my lovely friend, and I never knew Mama Ike has it like lip. I would go to their house and like Bimnand. Up until the other day, she was like, "Oh, Chomi, oh, if unyam, Mama, be figure kumkweta work." And I'm like, "Wait, what do you mean kumkweta? Oh, Mama, later." I'm like, "No way." When I nalo candy boy, I can't watch my phone around. You can sit down. Obviously, is bound to have around there in Jinyaga, so I lose bendy single, but we are going. And then like I was like, damn, come and tell Mama, come up. That's when she told me. That's why kanji. Now you have to do it. And if I win, into zakwazo makakoshi. And so why all that is I was like, yo, Mama, please masirephe apho ngoku ixesha liyahamba masenze funa ukwenziwa. And then I called my granddad. Ngaloo mini I was so depressed. I'm phone tata, I think ngoku I can't. Andiyeli ndawo ndibuya qho eKapa andibuyi nanto xa ndibuya ndicela senzile ubomi bam bube right yabo. At least isikolo guys ndifuna uba ne-qualification and I want isikolo that's going to accommodate me endinguyo. Like I love like about creative. I need like a creative college. I know it's gonna be private and ndazi ndizayibhatala ngantoni but ndizayibona phambili. And my mom was like, mntanam akho nto engayizamanga ndizokwazi ukubuyisa esikolweni. I didn't afford any more ukufundisa ngoku. Yaqonda, oh it's time. Fine, ndangena Ntsimbini 2023. I accepted my
Ungena from here Cape Town okanye
no,
like
Eastern Cape. Eastern
Oh.
Cape. When we were shooting your what's
Searching
your
for Belonging.
what's your
Searching
search for belonging? Ndandisuka Eastern Cape ngoku yeah. Ndandisenenyanga apha ndisuka ukwenza umsebenzi wami.
Ne?
Yeah. Ngoku yeah. And in that moment I was like, oh, ndandikhetha ne-photo shoot ke ngoku. Because it aligned.
So it was
the
the
person.
first photo shoot like
Yes.
Yeah,
after.
babeze kuma so. Hey, icon. Hey, le. Yeah, number one le.
That was my very ever first shoot after
that's dope.
everything. Asking myself,
And that shoot was so spiritual, you know? Like it was yay.
That's when I was like, oh, okay, cool. You guys are gonna choose everything for me. Because okay, you're gonna help me to make spaces where I won't feel like shrinking myself, but I'll belong and feel calm and the cool leg of it. And it's all like we should get happy. Very happy.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
Ne? So how do you decide okay, yeah. In fact like how do you balance like about and bang teacher and model and at the same time school?
Okay. I feel like I believe a career I might have to get to a point where I can manage it. Ne? Because this is upcoming I don't get a lot of gigs. And also guys ancestors I know no one I come to understand that I'm the one who's gonna understand, but they help me to maneuver. At times where I was in you got again many seasons I'm gigging, I'm modeling, they're phoned up. And then but the scholars again. Now I know but oh okay cool. They want me to focus on schooling. Of which I matter because era Danielo, you're going to assignment in Amshanje. In game it takes time. You're getting another brief. You're already working on a second brief or the brief. So there's no breaks in between. You just on the go, you're spending all the time. And I like producing dope work. So and time to do say Usana Gunina, I need to be proper.
That's dope.
So I was like, even that's for me school, I'll have to forfeit my modeling and my DJ career. But with modeling, I came up with a strategy that let's drop each and every month, let's drop one big shoot. And then I will find a way to keep my page going. That's when I came up with writing blogs about my life. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm not shooting because I'm busy at school, but why not write blogs about my life? Yeah. So I always like an idea to keep my page going. And then again, I model again. Sometimes get every opportunity to work on business. Okay, I'll do the shoot it. Okay, let's shoot the weekend, and then we shoot the weekend or after school, go shoot. Like sometimes I used to have days like the class from 8 to 12, no shoot from 12 to 5. I can't do this anymore. But I ain't sick all the time, so they really help me to maneuver easily. But guys, no limits. Like in my funding,
is it difficult to like ukufumana like umjolo like friend like as umuntu calling?
Personally, yes.
Calling,
yeah.
Ne?
Yeah, it is. It is. So far, the people I interacted with, yay.
But Indonesians very difficult.
I
like,
don't
is it
know.
because of like cheat and back like bone like Intoni kanye kanye?
I think you guys can answer why
Wena xa ucinga like xa observe like
Nah, I
relationships
think
zakho mhlawumbi.
personally for me, I feel like abantu basekhaya bayamthanda umuntu ofocus kuinto eyi-one ngexesha. I just realized that abantu abadala, and I think okanye banesikhwele, I don't know. Because sometimes I don't really think umuntu apha phandle ke nadibanayo ngcolile. Mhlawumbi it's just that they like cela ugqibe sokubeka enkundleni bele tshoba lakho and then sakuphathela umuntu, I don't know. But like guys, andiyazi ifeel like zifelishile man, zifelishile week
But that's normal though. Like.
zifelishile week, and I'm like, I don't think abantu bamdaka. It's just that maybe bathi akafika ixesha. And also I personally, the stuff that I had to work on because ibullying yam guys yanenza believe I'm loved, so I can't receive love from men. Yeah, I self-sabotage myself. So I'm like, I can't be bleeding. I need to address what I'm going through. And the biggest heartbreak I've ever received was from my dad. Absence really affected me.
Like what happened? Like,
he was never present. And I tried to reach out. He rejected me 4 times.
Even when we were something?
21, when I relocated to Cape Town. I was like, guys, not 21. I wanna meet my dad. I just wanna know him born. And I feel like if you are balega, I just wanna know him.
So you've never met him even once?
I saw like last day, 27 years of my life.
Damn, I'm sorry, man.
He rejected me 4 times. Then I kept telling myself, if I'm doing something, and I kept telling myself that.
Steve.
So yeah. I don't blame my ancestors. For me, I feel like they're protecting Amandona because the Bazukagofela is on so I have to address that wound. I have to address that wound. And I never.
But how do you start? Like, where do you start?
I don't know because she's not even here to answer me. Yeah, I don't know, but no, my mom shared the story. It was so painful, guys. She told me that if the guy is not like pulling through then he denied what I'm asking. And I think they dated, right? He used to like abuse him when meeting so like weighing on phone. So obviously guys, if you hear this in general, like, oh, weighing on phone, you know, weighing on phone. Yeah, well. So yeah, that's another thing why relationships I can't receive love. I'm always like, oh, don't share, oh, don't reject her. And I always try to like before. And yes, no, I can't visa kabuhlungu ndiyamphusha ndivise kabuhlungu because lindele ba ashayiwe izikatatam.
I'm sorry, man.
But yeah, but it's something that I think last year I started therapy. I tried to unpack it, but akolula.
Like ukuthetha okanye.
Well, because I'm like, akazubuya nje. Akazuzongikhetha nabayithethile ngayo, but my therapy always says, but then the way you react in romantic relationships, you have to deal with it.
So if you were calling, what would you say to him?
Oh, I don't know. But I think I would say, why was unantand? Like why? I mean, and yes, why like irresponsibility. For sure, the way when I meet each other halfway, and sometimes like utanda your man, it just be there for me. You know, that guys disappointed me. I remember primary mentally tennis, I was very good.
And did you say tennis? Actually, like I see it now.
Yeah, I was like a sporty girl, like not my leg and long jump, like dandy active guys. But I loved tennis. And my coach was Mr. Note at high school. I was so good. That's when I met at the time, and then thinking like it, and tennis. I'm like, okay, like esikoleni they were going to offer us obviously ungenayo, but I was like, no, I called my dad, Tata, I've been chosen to run my first match, wanting me tennis rackets. I waited, guys. Zange ndiyodlala la match nalila angizuyidlala ngama-tennis asesikoleni tennis at the time. That's why like ndayeka udlala. So ndikhula nayo lana uba ude rejecta bra. You missed like the most important parts zam, like sport, but my granddad was there for me.
Yeah.
That's why at times I'd be like, but why am I hurt? At the time my granddad loved me, my uncles loved me. I think I know Tano because of them. I don't like if I think about why into yakin Tata's quarter. Damn, I'm moving guys.
I mean, he's your father, man. Yeah.
So yeah, I want to go back to playing tennis, guys.
You are
join me?
Like I said, like we pin
Let's do it. Like this, equipment is to go back to playing tennis. Yeah.
I think you're gonna do good.
But as a hobby, look. I make career, guys. No.
Yeah, because
I need something you Paul. I know, guys.
So let me ask you, like where are you taking this brand to, Abena? Why you like here go be direction?
Yeah, I don't know because ndiyamyazilawula mani. Like ndingathi ndifuna uba mhlambe ondibese New York sike kujike andisike ndiphumelele South Africa. Like I can't really plan because nyama nabantu abadala and they plan things with me for me and ndiyakwazi uplana into ingathi iqinga nendlela ndifuna ngayo.
Do you think bancedisa nge-playlist?
Yes, they do.
Ne?
Now I know they do.
Yeah.
This other time, my first trial, something Sunday ndiyodlala, they wanted to hear me qala. Umama oligqirha came to me. She was like, abantu bakweni bebepha nawe.
Oh.
And your playlist was so spiritual. I was like,
so kudlala music onjani? Afro-tech.
Afro-tech.
So
Afro-tech.
So but we like Apple Galacora, who are some
okay, badlala sendidlalile. Most of the times I pick up and when you're coming with lots early. So the people who are don't get to hear you because I've played it unplugged. Dandlala no Tuxen Pa, Dandlala no Tashinga. Never got to hear me because badlala late.
So it's almost like a bafulele.
Yeah. So andikadlali unless ndilibele but andikadlali kukhumntu omkhulu.
Would you like the like okay above kodwa like a set young? And if yes, like
ngangubani?
Wengubani like?
Yo. Ngangubani, guys? Yes, guys, you know I don't have like a DJ role model.
Ne? I also don't have a
photographer role model. But I think I do know people that inspire me. Ulamiz. Yeah, I would really love to play Andive. I would really love to play Ndivwengu Nanko Inonapa. I love Afro-tech yakhe. Yeah. Sing about it by Tringayo.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's shame. And then amongst us, maybe it's not cool. Much as it has a sense, but I feel like when connected no Bravo, when Halalandive because Bravo very strong at home too. He would observe and listen and give you a chance. Agumbamel. Yeah.
Yeah, probably he was a something else. Man.
Yeah.
Like,
oh, between
a he's so lost in peace.
Hey. Yeah.
Where were you in okay?
I was at the stores. I went to buy groceries.
Yeah.
So for me, I was like, "Opi, tokens of brown." And I already know but on my way back home, I kept saying, "Okay, ubravo noba ufumene i-accident phasa esibhedlela alright udotyuliwe but alright akaswelekanga like ndandidwanguza apha endleleni nama nesister yam and then ndahlala phantsi my friend called me like uphi uhle kahle I'm about to tell you something ubravo uswelekile I'm like ompu bravo then egqibela kwifowuni yam I'm going to message Kwanele please tell me this is not true I'm going to DM Jerry his photographer please tell me this is not true when they confirmed it I cried, guys.
Yeah,
I cried because we were planning to have a shoot and our mood board be ready for me to send it to him. But I'm coming when I'm back, I pick up. So ngala veki asweleka ngayo mna ndigqiboyenza and ndiyabuya nge-weekends ofika Sunday then Monday ndimthumele i-mood board. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But yeah, guys.
So you're gonna do the shoot, gang?
Yeah, I have to. Like, yes. Thanks, Kanyele model. Ngaba yona nawe Kwanele.
Oh, nawe Kwanele. Okay, nawe Kwanele. Okay, I see. I see.
Ngumtshithe wakho lowana izokwenza sense xa ndenza nomuntu ebe-close.
Nawe Kwanele.
Khani nawe Kwanele.
Thank you so much, man, to invite Tabo Spaces up.
Yeah, thank you for having me. I hate interviews.
Why
I don't know
though?
why I agreed to this one. Guys, I feel like sometimes people expect you to answer in a certain way, and then if you don't, we are trying to, hey, today like, and this will fund in one of the bandwidth and say, okay, I'll try to answer but people always find the fault. And also, I don't like opening up in the stories. I'm not saying like, oh, no. But I guess this is how things are done in the industry. And share your story. And I don't feel like seeing inspiration. I don't think so. Yeah. So
you'll be surprised, yes.
My life is boring for Bandendi.
You'll be surprised, Joe. Like this story, like I feel like inspiration is everywhere. Man. You just have to listen. Okay, you
when are you saying cut?
No, I'm cutting Jaya. That's cool, man.
Honey, Mandela, guys, no way. No.
You see?
Guys. Oh, guys, and thank you for having me, man. Tithini kwale?
Ngiyabulela.
Bavule ingcango for Kwanele sive bethuna. I actually do pray for people, yes.
Yeah.
You don't have to be a friend kuze nithandazel. The moment unibona uba umuntu egrand like, oh, ngiyaguqa pha.
So are you saying the grand?
Are
you saying the grand? Like I want you to say it for me. Like I'm so usually saying it.
Okay.
Are you saying it? Grand, man.
Alright, ni grand nababili. Ningahlala apha, guys. Singahamba kahle endleleni sizofika up. It means you guys be sharp.
Thank you so much, man. This was so beautiful, man.
Thank you.
I was really stressed. John, it was open of women about things like it's like
I don't know why they've really. I don't know,
yeah, thank you so much.
I think that's why I said,
yeah.
I'm anxious and the time the interviews is serious.
Yeah.
So nobody wanted the structure of I pull you up, get you on a share right geza kaloku late masimfunele umuntu ozohamba nale level yakhe. And then unpack it but ningazibande unpack and guys the stories wrong.
Thank you so much, man. It's
Cut!